Hey fam. So I'm wearing my mic today in hopes that y'all can hear me because some of y'all say I be talking low. And sometimes I talk low like that because I may still have neighbors out. Even though I have a lot of space, I still have neighbors. They're not considered rural, but we are. So, backstory, when we decided we wanted to do this, first of all, my husband wanted to do this a while ago, and that is build a homestead. Um, I wasn't there, so you're not always on the same page. But I think the events of 2020 and praying and asking God to pretty much lead me because what I was doing wasn't working. So I was going to have to surrender and figure out how I was going to get what I wanted in life. And in order to get that, you got to take a step back. So I don't want to make this a preachy video. But when we decided to come out here, it was more so of wanting to be more self-reliant, self-sufficient, and not like selfish, but self-sufficient, and that ability to provide for our family and anyone else in our family if we needed to do so. So that was the reasoning behind that situation. But being out here, even though me and my husband pretty much was on the same page about doing it, y'all, it ain't easy. Like, it's fun. Don't get me wrong. It is a lot of fun doing it and seeing the chickens and the rabbits, especially when I had the baby kids and stuff. But it's a lot of work. And when you're, living with a day of pain every single day because of my autoimmune, there are days I don't feel like coming out here. But this is what I prayed for. This is what I asked for. This is what God has provided. And so in that, I had to understand these animals are depending on me, just like my kids depend on me, and I depend on Jesus. So I have to work through the pain, but I managed to get it done. Now, we haven't gotten to the point now. We have conversations and sometimes we have arguments because I would like for my husband to be here doing stuff, but I know we're not at that point where we can afford for him not to work on the road driving trucks and to just be dependent upon here. We haven't received that word. So he's still doing that. And it becomes frustrating because it is a lot to do this right here. But I have to start remembering it is a lot for him to be out on the road and away from his family as well. And that is our journey. And it's not always easy. It's not going to be easy. But anything worth having is not supposed to be easy. Um, I was talking to a friend, and we got to learn to get out of that comfortable place, because when we're in that comfortable place is where growth stops, because everything feels comfortable. There's no need to do more. But if you want more, you're going to have to put in the work to do more. Now, we only have chickens and rabbits here on this homestead. I will just do my chickens and my rabbits here. And I'm honestly, whenever we do get the fencing done, I am thinking about doing some turkeys one year, but no time soon, because I do want to do just a little bit of traveling. Not much, because I still have chickens and rabbits, but just a little bit, of going here and there after our child graduates in 2024 from high school. And I think my son graduates in 2025 from college. Gosh, I'm old. But anyway, I just wanted to let y'all know, if this is something that you feel like, my arm is tired. If this is something that you feel like you want to do, you don't know how to do it, you don't have to do it on a massive scale. You know, start where you are, grow where you are, plant where you are, raise your animals if you are allowed to where you are. I've grown in buckets. I've grown directly out of the soil bags that you buy from the store. And the only thing I do is put some amendments in it, like bone meal or something like that, and mix it up and just grow straight out the bag. Because, you know, the times we're living in now, we need to be thinking about that. And a lot of people aren't, and I get it. But that's why I wanted to do more. I'm trying to find the sun so I can get out of my face. Anyway, I'm trying to figure out how we can expand where we are. Now, where we are is not, it's not a full acre. It is close to an acre. I wish that they didn't take all of the trees out. In the area where the garden is, it would have been nice to have some trees there, because I would love to have, if not goats, sheep. I'm good with 2. So, but that's down the road for when I'm not going to be going anywhere, because you got to have somebody to care for these animals when you are away. So it's pretty easy. Chickens and rabbits, I've kind of figured how to do that and how much time I can be gone before having to, you know, get their food and water back up. So let's get into the video, you guys. I just wanted to come on, say welcome if you are new to the channel. My name is Tommy. If you don't know by now, my name is Tommy, and I've been married for 21 years, together for 22. Yeah, I'll see you in just a few minutes. I'm out here walking with my stick, my painting stick, because my neighbor that I sell eggs to texted me and said there's a fox circling your chickens. Haven't had an issue, you guys, with any kind of creatures trying to get at them. So I'm out here like a shepherd. I also have my friend in my pocket, if you know what I'm saying. But this is my first go-to over that. I didn't see it, thankfully. It was gone by the time I got out here. The wire mesh that I have around the coop to keep any kind of possums and stuff like that from sticking their paws in and snatching a bird. I have that same stuff buried under the dirt around the entire perimeter of the cage, even the coop area where the eggs are. It's cold out here, y'all, so you know what that means. Time to get the propane. Time to get the propane.
I scared the rabbit, he scared me, then he scared me.
How you doing? No jacket on?
No, I got hot.
Oh, okay. Let's see where that put us. Yeah, I'll probably get you in a couple more weeks.
If you download our app and make the username, password, login name, and it'll show your account, and you can that monitor right there. Now it is human made, so it does sometimes make a mistake. Yeah. But it'll tell you how much is in your tank on your phone.
Yeah, I'm always out here, so I have enough apps.
I
have enough. Yeah, it is cold out here. I'm supposed to be out here in the lawn pulling up weeds, and I probably will once I get a little bit more layers than I have on me right now. So y'all, this is Lily. Lily is one of our breeders. She is a Flemish Giant, and she had 9, but only 5 made it through, and I raised them out and I dispatched them, and they are now in our freezer for meat. This is our male New Zealand Red. We bred him and the other New Zealand Red doe. They had 6 kids. Hey fam, welcome back to the channel. So I am starting today off a little behind. I got up at 4. Well, I woke my husband up at 4 because he had to go to the truck stop, but he didn't manage to get out the house until 5. And then I came back, and I should have just got started, but what I did was I laid in the bed. And I became overwhelmed like I typically do on some days. Hold on. Hey y'all, so it's been a few days since I picked up this phone to record. I'm about to head into Home Depot and just look around because I'm killing time. I came over to the Aldi and didn't realize that Aldi did not open up until 9, and when I got there it was 8 o'clock, and Home Depot sits across the street. So I said, well, why not go in Home Depot, see what their Christmas decorations look like. Maybe that would cheer me up, and look around in the appliance area because I wanted to see if they had in store what I actually have in my cart for Home Depot, which I cannot afford to get at the moment, but I have faith, okay, that God is going to bless us with the ability to continue this renovation. So we're about to go in. Me and you. We're about to go in. I'm gonna be all right. I'm just a little down right now. I'm gonna be okay. Also, before we go in, let's pretend we on a field trip. Okay, I saw my girl Donna do this on her channel. Before we go in, keep your hands to yourself. Don't touch nothing in the store, okay? You know how your mama told you back in the day. Don't put your hand on that stuff. Don't touch nothing you can't pay for. Look, touch with your eyes. Don't touch with your hands, okay? And don't act up. Y'all, let's go. But I know I have good people over here. Y'all not gonna do anything to get me kicked out of this store because you pulling stuff down off the shelves, okay? So let's go into the store. See, the thing about living here in the mountains, when that wind start cutting, ooh, boy, start cutting, y'all. I'm gonna look at some of these mowers over here because I told y'all our mower is down. My husband's supposed to get a motor for it. He hasn't. Oh, I forgot to lock my car. Hold on, y'all. So we have a 0 turn, which is like this one here. That's a lot of money. Say this one was 24. It's now 1849. Save 600. We used to have one of these, and we sold it to his brother. It's a little bit cheaper. This one's, I don't know that brand, Murray, 19. That's still a lot of money, y'all.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. 'Cause without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. I don't need anybody, I don't need anybody else. No one will ever take me, no one will ever take me away from you. I promise I will hold on to you. I don't know what I'd do without you. Without you. You can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high.
I burned out like a wandering ember. I shone bright, then my journey was over. What I sought when I ran was back where I began. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. Well, I scratched in the dirt for a while. I gained all that I knew for a price. In the end, what I found was nowhere near as nice. No matter the rain, coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. Though I fought with my claws and teeth, though I elbowed my way to a seat, there be no kind of peace like you beside me. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
You broke my heart a million times. Can't count the times I made you cry. Oh, we're such a mess now, and we're burning out. I get so sad at the thought of losing you. I'm losing you. I can't bear the thought of losing you. I'm losing you. You're still perfect as the day goes by. Even the worst ones hate, they make me smile. I stop the world if it would give us time, yeah, to work things out, to work things out, to work things out, to work things out, yeah, yeah, to work things out, to work things out. Can we be honest? You're my comfort zone. Whatever I say, don't let me go. I know you're angry, babe, and I am cold. I get so sad at the thought of losing you. I'm losing you. I can't bear the thought of losing you. I'm losing you. You're still perfect as the day goes by. Even the worst ones hate, they make me smile. I stop the world if it would give us time, yeah, to work things out, to work things out, to work things out, to work things out, yeah, yeah, to work things out, to work things out. Oh, yeah, to work things out, 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 to work things.
My daughter told him he wasn't. He said, "You so pretty." She said, "I look like you." He said, "I know."
You're so pretty.